Sitting here feels like I'm not in the Philippines. I know I'm in a tropical place. I know that it is almost like a rainforest in here, but I wouldn't necessarily guess that I was in the Philippines specifically. I just know that it's very nice, it's very outdoorsy. I could be in any tropical paradise, except I'm in Metro Manila. In the very middle of it, I'm in Valle Verde, in an exclusive home that feels like a bachelor pad that's just a mixture of all of this modern and classic, and this is a rare find. What can I say? From the street, this looks like a tropical paradise. It's actually a corner lot, but hindi siya halata actually kasi nakatago siya sa likod ng mga halaman, which is amazing. So this is your main gate, but you don't have a gate for the carport. So you have a 2-vehicle carport here. It's open, and that's really convenient because you are inside a very safe and secure subdivision. So you don't need to bother anyone by opening the gate, etc. You just park there and you go in through your pedestrian gate, which has a digital door lock. And as you enter, you will be welcomed and mesmerized by the way, by the front door. It's a beautiful solid wooden door with intricate detail, has this amazing pattern, and it also has a digital door lock. So it is both modern, very sleek, but still very textured, unique, and is quite of the times. Here on the left side, you have a pathway leading around the corner. But before we explore that side, let's go inside the house first. So as you enter, quite literally, the first thing that you will see is the main stairs, especially because it looks so unique. We rarely see this kind of house design, at least in our channel, right? So this is a treat. So you have your main stairs, and it goes course around to the second floor, but everything around it is glass, so it's open to the outside. And you'll notice just under this is a water feature. So this is actually part of the swimming pool outside, so it literally is an indoor-outdoor feature, and it just makes it feel like everything here on this floor is an alfresco, even if it's indoors. As you walk along your main hallway, you have high ceiling, by the way, but then this portion is double height high ceiling. And you will be welcomed directly to your dining area. Again, very open. You have floor to ceiling glass windows. These you can open. The ones up top are fixed. And then you have just a blank wall for you to place your artwork. In this case, there already is artwork. And then your chandelier is also a work of art in itself. Speaking of art, you have an accent wall over here, beautiful stone with backside illumination. Parang cellphone, no? Backside illumination with light from behind. It's ang ganda ng dating niya, ang ganda ng effect. Looks very three-dimensional because it is. And then here on the right side, you have your kitchen. Oh, is this a drawer? Okay, it just looks like it. So you have your bar over here. The surface is solid wood, and then it continues to the rest of your countertop, which is now stone. So very natural materials, very long lasting and easy to maintain. So lots of surface to work with. You have an L-shaped counter over here, lots of storage underneath. You have your stove, of course, with your exhaust, then your built-in sink. And in front of that, you have a huge mirror that leads out to the service area. Now, the accordion that you see here is glass, right? So you can open this up, and that's gonna reveal your daily kitchen. But if you wanna hide it, you could also just close this one. And of course, that area leads back out to said service area. But we're not gonna go there now because there are still people. Okay, so let's go back out here. Because right next to the kitchen and the dining, we have a full toilet and bath. So this one is also guest accessible, of course, so you can treat this as the powder room. But you have your sink, your toilet, and then your partially enclosed shower space, which also opens up to the service area, just in case you wanted to. Now this one also acts as the full toilet and bath for this room. So this is technically anything you want it to be. It could be an office, it could be a playroom, a sunroom, lahat ito salamin, nakasarado lang with blinds, but it has a view of your backyard, your swimming pool, etc. So it is just a room, there's no ensuite, but again, if you wanted it to be a bedroom, the bathroom is right next to it. Okay. So you could open up these glass panels, but you could also open up the ones over here. So essentially, itong buong area to, right, this corner all the way to the dining, you could open up so you literally have an indoor-outdoor or alfresco experience that leads out to the swimming pool or onto the living area. Now your living area feels grand. It is so relaxing in here. I love that the wood and the reflective glass here behind me is dark, but it doesn't feel dark at all because you basically have floor-to-ceiling windows everywhere. Ngayon makulimlim, actually correction, umuulan. So it is quite dark, but it still feels very bright and light, despite it having a lot of texture and everything. Now if the sun does get too overwhelming for you and it's too bright, you do have shears. So nakatago lang yung curtain rail, which is really, really sleek. Yeah, that is essentially it for the ground floor. You have a lot of storage options, by the way. You have storage over here, of course, and they're all hidden throughout the house, but I'm not gonna point them out anymore. That's for you to find out, especially when you go here for yourself. But before we go up the second floor, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Pasig, that's right, this is in Pasig, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. As you climb up here on the second floor, you get to admire another chandelier here that matches the one by your dining area. Just beautiful origami birds overlooking the rest of the view, which again, all windows. These are all windows. So is this, and you have a nice little, like, I want to say this is a reading nook or a coffee or tea nook. At least that's what I would use it for. Comment down below what you would love to use this for, but it's at the front of your property. You have a view of your facade over here, and then it's just, again, it's a very nice neighborhood. By the way, this is in Valle Verde, so cat's out of the bag. It's a very nice subdivision. What I like about this particular property is this area, it's whole subdivision, mapuno talaga siya by nature, but this particular property has even more of that, and that's why it feels like such a tropical oasis. Quite literally in the middle of Metro Manila. Okay, so speaking of middle, over here we have the middle part of the second floor, and it's where all of the rooms pretty much converge. Now let's check out this one first. So this is bedroom number 1 for the sake of this video, and this is also the primary bedroom. So you have a digital door lock, and the first thing that you will see after opening the door is a glass door that leads to the walk-in closet, as well as the ensuite toilet and bath. So you have, obviously there are personal items here, but you have a lot of space for your wardrobe. You have closed storage, you have, well, everything is closed storage except yung iba opaque, yung iba mirrors, and then yung iba smoked glass. Then you have an island vanity, and then over here you have your enclosed toilet, and then your enclosed shower area. So it's a very open changing room, basically. And then out here you have this much space for the room or for the bed itself. Okay, so currently, of course, you would probably use different sets of furniture, right? But granted that there are chunky pieces of furniture here, such as like just a full armrest couple here, and then one huge armrest over there, and then a queen-sized bed with a pretty large bed frame. You have a lot of space. The fact that you were able to fit all of this here, just visually imagine that, right? Again, these are all windows, it's just behind curtains. But yeah, it's a very bright room. Now this part is also glass, but this one doesn't lead out to the, it doesn't lead back out to the outside, it just peers down to your dining area. Okay. So that is pretty much the only room that will be going around for this floor. This is another bedroom. It also has a digital door lock. And then this hall, storage. It's all storage. And yes, I know it's very dark and moody in here, which I particularly appreciate since all of the glass pretty much makes you feel like you're in a rainforest almost, or maybe because it's raining, I'm not too sure, but because of all the plants, right? It makes you feel like you're safe. Okay, anyway, so you see this glass cube over here? This actually hides a set of stairs as well as the staff quarters. So that's very, very nice. And then this room is also storage. And from here, you have a set of stairs that lead up to the 3rd floor. So when you reach the top floor, you have a door here by the stairs that's gonna lead to this room. But before that, we have here basically an indoor entertainment area, but I know you're seeing a little bit of it. Before we reveal that, let's go into the bedroom first. So that door from the stairs could also be accessed for this room or through the sliding frosted glass door that you saw. So this is bedroom number 3. So 2 bedrooms on the 2nd floor, and this is the 3rd one. But this is perfect as a guest bedroom or as a junior master suite. It doesn't have an ensuite toilet and bath, but it does have a digitally door locked full toilet and bath and walk-in closet right next to it. So you have your sink over here. Notice how there is also a stone accent wall here, or stone-like accent wall here. This may blue na ilaw sa ilalim or sa likod. This is all glass and it's going to reveal the roof deck later. And then in here you have your enclosed toilet and then your enclosed shower area. And then the rest is basically storage. So behind the full-length mirrors, you have storage, and then over here, more closet space. Right. And you can actually, like, there are lots of pocket doors in this entire home so that you can hide or reveal certain areas, like this one, for example. Okay, now to reveal the rest of the open space. So you have an entertainment floor, a den, you have a gym. So yung part na to, wooden yung flooring, and then this part is tiled. So again, you can open up the glass doors, have an alfresco moment. It's really versatile, essentially. This floor is versatile. It could be a guest floor, it could be your personal, like, attic. It's not really an attic, pero you can do whatever you want with it, basically, because you do have a bedroom, a full shower with a walk-in closet, and then just this massive space that's indoor, and you have access to this beautiful roof deck. It is a huge open space. Only reason I'm not going out is because it's raining. But yeah, you have so much seating. And again, this is a corner lot, so you have a view of your neighborhood. Again, sobrang mapuno dito. You are in Valle Verde, and you're super close to all of the commercial centers. You're close to Bridgetown, you're close to Eastwood, you're close to Ortigas, Mega Mall, Shangri-La, Robinsons. Very convenient location. Wala na lang mag-rap, no? Okay, so numbers, but before that, make sure you check out these really nice B-rolls. Sobrang daming seating sa bahay na to, but I'm gonna choose to sit on this poodle. Okay, so you have 463 square meters of lot area. Again, this is a corner lot. And then you have 1,500 square meters of floor area split between 3 levels. 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, No powder room kasi yung dito sa ground floor, full toilet and bath din siya. You have a 2-vehicle carport that's just out at the front of your property na walang gate because again, you are inside Valle Verde, very safe and exclusive subdivision. And you have a swimming pool here that is also a corner and wraps around the corner of your home. And this is the kind of place that's it's a quiet respite from the city. Ano yun, parang sobrang traffic sa outside world, and once you get in here, it's all of a sudden different. You're in a almost tropical paradise, basically. That's what it looks like, that's what it feels like. You have an indoor-outdoor or al fresco vibe indoors, and all you see is plant life around you. Despite the fact that you have neighbors, it doesn't feel that way. Kasi hindi mo sila nakita eh. Hindi ka rin nakita. But yeah, if you are interested in a home like this, something of a billionaire's man cave or bachelor pad, of course it does have 4 bedrooms, but again, it feels that way. Make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.